Bye! Kumusta di bye? I'm here to compare two lenses. So I'm having this series nga kanang mag-compare kog duha ka lenses na I've used. So first things first, I have the 35mm G Master, which is a very good lens for Sony. And I have the 35mm also 1.8 from Sony. Non-shade skins. This is not the usual color as it is. But yeah, first thing first, I want to tell everyone that wala ko nag-prepare any nga videos. I don't have a script. I just have it in my head and then I just blabber the camera. So that muna akong mga time mo klaro ang akong mga sentences magputol-putol, and I don't prepare for this that much. I don't rehearse it. So we just wing it. Also, dili siya sponsored. I got all these things for me. Like I bought it with my own money. If I use this cap here, I'm not sponsored. I just found it there on the side, so I'm wearing it. Anyway, yeah. First things first. Not first things first. Second things second. I've been using this G Master 35mm 1.4, and it's a very good lens. Nindot ka siya pang photo. I'm a photographer first, then a videographer second. So I've been using this. If you have the money to buy it, just go ahead and get the G Master. They're the best lenses. But if you're in a budget, this one is a 35 1.8, and it's very good lens also. Nindot siya focusing, nindot siya kanang pang video kay di siya mo focus breathe, di siya kanang dako ang ana ba. If you ask me personally, I don't really care about focus breathing, but if you notice it, you'd know. Yeah. So bottom line is I have these two lenses, and if I'm in a situation wherein I need to get one, I really need to get one, and I don't have problems with budget, or if I have less budget also, I would advise everyone to get this, the G Master. Kung di gid makaya sa kwarta, yeah, you can get this. This is good enough also. The only differences with these is that this is 1.4 and this is much better glass though. But this is a 1.8, and I can shoot a wedding with this. It's so good. It's just a 1.8. I'm just being spoiled that I wanted a 1.4, and it's the best. The motors are so good. The focusing is so good. This one is light. So if you're after light camera bodies, like I meant light lenses, not camera bodies, but light lenses for light camera bodies like the A7C or A7C2. This is a very good lens. I bought this because kanang naga-videos ako, and then I find it good for video. If I hit it somewhere or I drop it, okay na ako. And the quality is good. It is a light lens wherein mag-video ko, magdagdagan ko, run and gun. It's easier for me to carry around. It's really a good lens. Kung wala pala ning 1.4, I'd get this. But yeah, I'd rather get this than real talk. 1.4 is really good. You can also use Sigma and other stuff. I haven't used them as much, but they're there. Last advice is that just get 1.4. Wala siya. One have a definitive answer because I've seen other YouTubers, vloggers that they just give you an option and leave you hanging at the end. So my conclusion, get this. And if you can't, get this. But just get this. Get this. Yata gamitin ako na pag-review sa 35 1.8 1.4 kani di siya 24mm, but karon nag-video ko murag nalingaw man ko ning wide. Sakto bang wide or 24 lang? No, daghang kay ko makita mga kagaw sa studio ko nung nako. Anyway, that's what it is. Kailangan sa kanila. Mo lang. Passing lang. Sige, bye.